I do not know my style other than comfortable. I feel I dress boring and I don't like fussy clothes. So lots of people like simplicity in their clothing, and there is, nothing wrong with that. Some people like, the flips and flaps and the bows and the frills and the extra detail, and other people, it just feels like it gets in the way and it's really fussy and annoying. So knowing you like simple is great, but simple does not have to be boring. So when we think about putting an outfit together to make it stylish, there's what I call the outfit star, and there's 5 points to that star. So to make an outfit less boring, we want to have at least 2 points, 2 to 3 points generally from the outfit star in your outfit. So these are the cut or the construction of the garment. Is it, because sometimes you can have some interesting construction without it being too plain and simple. We can have the color. So rather than it being all neutral, say, the color, it can be the fabric. Maybe there's some interest and detail in the fabric. So it could be the fabric is leather, or it's shiny, or it's furry, or I put 2 different fabrics together. So we can think about the fabrics. We can think about the texture. So if there's something particularly textured about the garment, so it could be feathery, or it could be soft, or it could be stiff, or, there's lots of different things in fabrics. And then our final one is prints and patterns. So the decorative detail as such. So when we think about our outfit star, we may want more than one of those in your outfit, because if you tend to go to very plain and simple garments and then do them in neutrals, it's going to be boring. And then we don't add accessories, we don't have anything interesting there, can be a little bit boring. So it could be, can I add some accessories to add interest? Or instead, I can have the plain top, but maybe it's in a pattern of some sort, and figuring out which pattern is the one you like is something that's about personality. And that's something we go through in my 7 Steps to Style program. But, it could be pattern, or it could be having it in a color. So head to toe, green instead of head to toe beige and gray. So, we could think about color, or we could think about some sort of interest in the texture of the garment. So it, could be like just different textural elements put together. Even things like having a, basket weave handbag adds some texture, or a plaited leather belt adds some texture. So there's all these things we can add texture in. Feathery earrings, this is adding a little bit of texture to my outfit. We can have fabric. So maybe it's a fabric that's got like a broderie anglaise that has a pattern in it, or a lace is another. It's a pattern in the fabric. Maybe it's a floaty, wafty sheer fabric that moves with you as you move. So we can think about the fabric. So we want to think about 2 to 3 of those in every outfit. So that can take something that's otherwise more plain and make it more interesting and more stylish. So if you want to learn more about that too is in my 7 Steps to Style program, because I cover all these things, because I know they're all parts of discovering and finding your style that makes you happy and stops you wasting money on all the wrong clothes.